flying back to DC area because I'm visiting Nova for a day. Literally, only reason I'm going is to hang out with my friends. Get plans for this evening as well as for lunch. I think I might be going to Kogia twice because I didn't realize Kogia was a Korean barbecue place, but I was gonna go to So for lunch and then go to Kogia for dinner, but might just be Kogia twice. So I spent the past week visiting my friend here in Augusta. Now I'm going back to Nova. Gonna spend the night there, and then tomorrow evening I have a flight to New York. Kogia again, but Anna and Yuta didn't like that. So we're over here at this other place.
Have some competition over there, an iPhone vlog.
Just T-pose, intimidate everybody.
But I thought Oak was a worker because he has the same color shirt as the workers. Okay? Like a winter swap.
Look at the situation that is in this car.
Man.
I have to sit
Yo.
It's cute. No.
You might think it's funny. No.
And I can't move. One in the back. Oh, that's Oak's ringtone. Bye.
Time to get out and
I don't know what room they're in is the problem, but we will figure it out.
What's good?
I love it because it's
What time is it?
I mean, they're welcome to join us.
Shot o'clock.